First, open ABCproxy on your desktop. This section can be filtered based on conditions. If you do the screening, click Search will get the target IP. These IP addresses are all available. Right-click to extract. These ports are available. Which port you choose is up to you. The screen above shows that extraction is successful. Click on the Today list. The first IP address is the one we extracted successfully. Click on Port Forward list. Find the IP we just selected. Click on the copy. Open the VMMask. I'll hit Create window. Click Create Configuration. Just pick a name, such as ABC. Click at IP proxy. The proxy type is SOX5. Enter the replication IP address here. Then fill in the port number. Click Test Connection. Click OK. And then you can use it.